Here at Patsav, we give our students a very hands-on experience in all different kinds of microphones and miking techniques, which becomes very important in a live sound scenario. When it comes to microphones, the students get hands-on experience on various different kinds of microphones like condenser microphones, dynamic microphones, ribbon tweeter microphones, or even label microphones. As well as they get hands-on experience on wireless technologies and techniques. With the help of wireless technologies and techniques, they can use multiple different microphones